Welcome back another time again with MapMasterJoel on TokPisin session. Long OLSP members here long Papua New Guinea na Pacific Island countries. Right, you may go straight long how you can claim 25 cents na 5 cents inside your OLSP system that you engage one time all post. Alright, are you to inside your new system finish this by showing you. Now you must look underneath long menu. Inside the menu, now you look in bonus. You look in bonus. You check in bonus, you click in bonus. Now and by see come along this la Viral Hub. Viral Hub and can accessing you. Click him lab by bringing you go along Viral Hub Center. So now we look in all just any stuff. So suppose you not connected, you need to connected. Otherwise, suppose you all member, you can just go out. Okay, now and by you go down long, do you link him all profile below you. Number one, something you must link him all profile. Or connect him social medias below you. You click him there, me making finish so. Me show you with us all. You click him number one, you click him connect your profiles. So you click in profiles view and by showing you all this. So me click him, me joining finish LinkedIn, joining finish TikTok, me joining finish YouTube, me joining finish Instagram, me joining finish Facebook. All profiles. Work profiles in a long group, Facebook group, in a long Facebook page. A good plan long you make him join him long Facebook channel, Facebook profile view. So you link him all page will finish or profile will finish. You link him all profile will finish. Now by you go along cash earnings. Now by you engage. So this is a video you must attend him because every video stuff long training you. So now you link him or profiles will finish. So now you must by you engage lock him credit in order long boost him post to you. So here by looking you got menu start and also you click him long up. So now by looking all Facebook post when I'm task is tab inside learner. So but you can make him like, share, now comment. Like and 10 points, share and 10 points, comment and 10 points. So you make you one over the block weeks him 30 credits and 30 credits. So 30 credits now and edit come long. Go available credits for you. So inside now we can use him like credit, like boost him post blue. So which is we come again long. Down lang here, kita down we look add your post. So you add him, click him long up now, and by showing you on social media channel, one social media channel you like boost him lemay. So Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, YouTube or TikTok. You think if you've been post long on the profile page we finish now. Now you go copy him this line. URL you've been post lemay. Now you can paste him inside line. So you paste him finish now. Now you go on add this. Then you go add him now. But you seems like 30 credits. 30 credits and 30 credits and by that come long total credits for you. So all right, and now are you making it you go? And now system automatically come along situation where you faithfully make him or some like, share, and comment. System automatically figure him out. Now give him you cash bonus. So and by adding cash bonus will come along here. You look in and blow me stuff and $585. So and by adding you come on slide. Alright, okay, so slam how we can sim 5 cents, 25 cents that you engage, that you share in post, that you comment, now that you making engagement inside long OLSP system. Alright, okay, looking again on our site.